Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because I'm going to be sharing my Quince haul. I have picked up a few luxury pieces for less, and one of them you've already heard me talk about. I'm obsessed with this tote, but today I'm going to take you upstairs. I'm going to give you a little fashion haul of all my favorite Quince items, things that I have been loving lately, as well as just some of my all-time favorites that are like perfect for this transitional season. And as many of you know, I have been a long-time fan of Quince, and I'm so excited to be collabing with them today. So thank you, Quince, for sponsoring this video. So if you're interested in seeing my Quince haul, sharing some of my favorites, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, welcome to my home. I thought this one had the best lighting. So I wanted to kick off my Quince haul with one of my favorites ever. This is 100% cotton sweater jacket, and it is just precious. I love it. And I love this piece because I sort of like to up level my casual jeans. I'm just wearing some simple loafers, but this sort of elevates, makes me feel put together, and I just cannot tell you how great the quality of this little sweater jacket is. Just adorable, and it comes in several different combinations. I want to pick up a few more because I just really like this look. Okay, these are my two newest pieces, and these are both pure luxury pieces. The first one, you have heard me talk about how the Baby Luxe cashmere is worth every single penny. Now, yes, it is on the more expensive side of Quince, but the quality of this Baby Luxe cashmere is outstanding. So this literally feels like it is a $1,000 sweater. That's what it feels like to me, and I am the queen of cashmere. I have to tell you, I have invested in many beautiful cashmere sweaters. So I do have to say, I feel like I can tell you that this is truly such good quality. I literally get a compliment every time I wear this Luxe sweater. This is the Baby Luxe cashmere quarter zip, and it's got this just really like stunning collar here. This just feels like butter. It is the best cashmere hug you can have. Just a few other details, like a little slit right in the arm area, just to kind of have some freeness. So in Quince, I generally will wear about true to size. I tend to, in sweaters, go up to a size small. I just love this. It is so beautiful, literally. And again, this is one that is worth it. You're gonna get compliments. I want to pick up my next one I want to get is the Cortado camel color. To me, this is the ultimate quiet luxury sweater. It is just so awesome. Now, the other piece that I highly recommend is this hand-woven leather tote. And I picked this up in the Merlot color, and that's what I also love about Quince, because I can have fun with color. If I was spending a lot more on a designer bag, I probably would go with something a little bit more safe. I feel like Merlot is a safe color as well, but it's not one that I always wear. So I just wanted to pick this up because It's Valentine's Day around the corner, and it just kind of was giving me Valentine's Day vibes. And I'm about to take a trip to New Orleans. I wanted something that I could put my laptop in. And what I do love about this is that it's got some interior pockets, which is important for me. It's got a zipper enclosure, so you can stick your passport in there safely. It also has a magnetic clasp here, so it's gonna keep all your belongings secure. But I just think this is so beautiful. And they have some other colors, and I was personally debating between the taupe color, which is absolutely stunning. Of course, they have black, they had a rich brown. Like, there's so many colors to pick from. But if you're like myself and you're looking for a little upgrade of a tote, but you don't want to break the bank, this would be a beautiful one to pick up. I quickly threw on my baby Luxe crew. This was my original entree into the baby Luxe cashmere. I truly cannot recommend that line enough. It is literally the best quality at a very accessible price point. So wanted to show you, I often will pair my crew with just a button-down shirt. I often just wear this on its own, but when I want to be a little bit more elevated, a little bit more chic, I will wear it with a button-up shirt, have that sticking out. I love having the collar stick out as well. You can leave the tail undone or tuck it in, but I really do. This is just an absolute favorite. And again, they come in some very beautiful neutral colors that you will wear over and over. Okay, so Quince has amazing cashmere sweaters, but I have to tell you, if you are a cotton sweater gal, they also have the most amazing quality cotton sweaters. This cardigan is one of my favorites. I have it in several different colors. And it's sort of like my casual uniform that, again, I feel like looks put together, but is super soft and comfy. This is the sky blue color, just beautiful. I'm wearing these in a size small. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that there is not a stripe that I don't love, and could not resist this 100% cotton striped sweater. Now, if you're not a crew neck girl, I've got you covered. I love this pullover, just so cute. Again, I just feel like I cannot go wrong with stripes in my particular wardrobe. So love this one as well. Okay, and then one last staple piece that is a must get are these lightweight cotton cashmere cardigans. And I literally have probably 6 colors of these, and they are a staple in my wardrobe, and they are just perfect just as part of your uniform. Literally can wear just one of their Quince little tanks underneath, and it's just soft, just very flattering, perfect little transitional piece as well. I wear them year round, and when I'm traveling, I love these because, again, they're thin and soft. They will keep you warm, but they're easy to pack. And again, I have got it in gray, I've got it in a camel color, pink. They just have such good colors, but this is just another one that I would highly recommend, especially just for a little elevated look, little cardigan. put on your jeans, your slacks, your skirt. They go with everything. They're perfect to wear over dresses as well. So just another little piece that I must recommend from Quince. So those are just some of the pieces that I wanted to highlight. We could be here all afternoon. I have jackets. All the bedding in my house is Quince. I'm just realizing that my curtains are also Quince here. I will flip around the camera in just a second and show you those. Quince is just one of my favorite brands because it's great quality. The price point is affordable. You literally get to buy luxury for less. And the other thing that I love is that they are expanding because they have great items for your home, for your health. They have beauty now. Like, I keep on seeing them grow. And basically they cut out the middleman. You get transparent pricing. The other thing I want to quickly mention is if you have a return, they make it so easy. See, number one, you can return up to 365 days later. Like, that's insane. But also, if you've ordered a wrong size or you want a different color, they make it so easy for you. The minute that you drop your item off, you basically get your refund for you to place your order again. So I have to say, I really appreciate the customer service, especially if there's something that I'm on the fence on. They just make it super easy. So that's another reason I love Quince. Definitely am team Quince. And we recently moved into a home, and I have to say their furniture looks amazing as well. I have not purchased any, but I am intrigued. We are still kind of getting organized. So, okay, just turning you around quickly, but I just wanted to show you the drapes here. And you guys, I'll bring you out. You can kind of see, I believe that's Mount St. Helens in the background here. But really nice curtains. This is what we have in here. And again, these are from Quince. So as usual, I love to hear from you. I know many of you are fellow Quince people. So let me know what your favorite items are. Anything that I need to pick up that I have not done so yet. Keep me posted. I always love recommendations from you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with another video soon.